Welcome to our guide on how to unarchive groups on Messenger using your PC. If you've archived a group chat and need to bring it back, follow these straightforward steps. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to messenger.com. Once you've reached the site, go to the Home section and click on Messenger in the left menu. This will take you to the main Messenger interface where you can access your chats and groups. In the top left corner, near the Chats section, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu of additional options. From this menu, select Archive Chats to view all your archived conversations, including groups. Scroll through the list of archived chats to find the specific group you want to unarchive. Once you've located the group, click on it to open the Group Chat window. Within the Group Chat window, locate the 3 dots menu again. Click on these dots to reveal a set of actions you can take within the group chat. From this menu, select the option to unarchive the group. After selecting the Unarchive option, the group chat will be moved back to your main chat list, making it easily accessible once again for you and all group members. By following these simple steps, you can effectively unarchive groups on Messenger using your PC. Keep your group conversations organized and readily available with this quick and easy process.